welcome to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. Today we are going to discuss about hacking of SQL Server. So what is this hacking of SQL Server, or else we can call it as hijacking of SQL servers. So in any company there is only one DBA. Then he left the company. Okay, at that time what we can do, because when he left the company, Windows admin will disable his login. Okay, so his login will be present in this instance. So if I go here, as I expand security, so here logins, in logins I will be having Mama Shahid. If I don't have sysadmin, actually I have removed here sysadmin. Okay, and I can remove here in user mapping if any. Okay, I will remove this database permission as well. Whatever it is, I am removing. I'll be clicking OK, but I can't delete that. Okay, I can't delete that login. So I can't view any logins and server, whatever the other server roles, many things I can't open this. Okay, I can't access that. So at that time, what I can do is he has to enter the login, newly arrived DBA who will be working as DBA in this organization. Okay, so previously who left, that login has disabled. Okay, I was working in previous company. This um, login has disabled. Now new DBS came. Okay, what he can do is he himself can give the permission. If he is if I have my admin rights at Windows level. So how to do that? Like we had to go to this SQL Server Configuration Manager. So one more thing, guys, if multiple instances are present in the system, always we have to use highest version, that is SQL Server Manager 17.msc. If you open that, 17 means 2025, 16 means 2022, and 15 means 2019, like that it goes on. Okay, if you open that in Windows or SQL Server Manager, okay, manager.msc, if you click OK, you will find this configuration manager from here. Okay, this configuration console has been opened. Okay, I will exit this. Now new DBA, how to give himself as sysadmin. Okay, the newly arrived DBA. So what he can do, he can go to properties here, and in startup parameters, we have here C program files, Microsoft path is there, and we have master.mdf. Okay, whenever the SQL service start, master it will start through master only, because master is the brain of SQL Server. Okay, so through master only we can start the SQL. Without master, SQL Server will be in offline state only. So services will be not up. And down, if you see in log, we have error log file also in startup parameters. Also below that, third file is the master.adf files. Okay, so these three files will be there in startup parameters. We have to click on update here. We have to give, enter we have to enter with single user mode. So we have to give -m, then click on OK. After clicking here, once again you can verify whether this in startup parameters -m is added or not. This is very important. Also, this is the important interview question as well. It has not updated. Okay, we can add one more time here. I have to click OK. Again, I will cross verify once. Okay, go to properties, then startup parameters. Then -m is added. I am the dummy login here. Okay, here I will exit this SSMS as well. Avoid any confusion. And here what I can do, like I have to restart the services here after adding. Okay, Once you restart the services, you can take here SSMS, freshly you have to open, okay. If SSMS is opened, you have to close that, again you have to open this SSMS. Now SSMS is opened, okay. SQL services are also getting restarted. Still services are starting. So verify, you have to verify -m is added or not in startup parameters. It has added actually. So now the SQL services are started. If you again go here to startup parameters, and then you can click here. Yeah, -m is added here, okay. So you can refresh. If you refresh here, 17 years has been is up, okay. So here SQL Server agent should be in stopped state, okay. This is the main important thing. Only SQL Server 2017 main services, okay, should be up and running, okay. So again you have to go to this, you have to close this all SSMS. Multiple you should not be opened, okay. Name is added. Now what I can do is I have to go to SSMS and I have to click OK. Here agent should be in stopped state, okay. Here 2017 ASS is in already stopped state. Because -m is single user mode. Every like we have to connect with a single connection. Here we have to cancel this, okay. I have to take new query. Then you have to connect with single user mode. I will do one thing, guys. I will go to here. I will connect to any other instance to the database. I have MSI also, right? I will be clicking OK. Then I will go here to trust certificate connect. Then I will be going to security logins. Then I will go to this Shahid properties. Then I will go to the server roles again. I will remove this sysadmin. I will be clicking OK. So what I had to do, I had to go to configuration manager. Here MSI, right, 2016, right click properties. Then I have to go to startup parameters. I have to add -m, add, click apply, click on OK. Click on OK. OK. I will exit SSMS here. Then restart this services, okay. Restart. Again I have to close this SSMS and then right click on this and run as administrator. And because whoever has admin rights on Windows level, they can enter to this SQL Server instance. So every time whenever you take SSMS, you have to go with run as administrator, okay guys. So now SQL service is also getting restarted. Now I will be connecting to SSMS with single user mode. You have to run it as administrator. Why we do these things and all? If any employee has left the company, again new employee who has came, he can crack, okay. And because previous employee login has been disabled, okay. So we can give ourselves as sysadmin, okay. I have to connect here. MSI. Now we got the single user connection. Now what we have to do here, we have to run alter server role, sys admin, add member. You have to give that member Shahid. Yeah, now the commands got completed successfully. We have cracked, okay? We have cracked and entered to the SQL Server. What we had to do, again, we had to go to this configuration manager. I had to go to this properties. Then in service account, service properties, okay? Properties of this SQL Server 2016 MSI properties. Here in startup parameters, we have to remove that hyphen m, okay, which is in single user mode. You have to remove and click on OK. Then you have to restart again. MSI, you have to restart again. So when you restart it, then again you can go here after restart. You can cancel this now, no problem. Now you can connect here. Now the SQL services are running. Now we can connect and see here in security. At that time I have removed this Shahid, the sysadmin, right? Now you have sysadmin rights in server role. Okay. So now I can do anything. This is the way how to crack the or hijack the SQL server. Okay. If no users are there, login also you can create. If login is not there, alter server roles. Sysadmin add member, right? We have before that we had to create login Shahid, that also I can do. Person who is has admin rights at Windows level can do this. So you might understood this. And next is the linked server. So linked server means sitting in one system and connecting to another system. Okay, in database engine, if I go here, I will check, okay, whatever the other instances are there. Here we have 2025 to connect to this instance. Here what we can do is, if we go to this linked server, in server objects, you will find your linked server. I will be setting, okay, here in 2016 I will be connecting to 2025 also, or else we can connect from 2025 to 2016 also. It is possible. There is no law that we have to follow from higher end only. We can connect from lower to higher version also. So how to create linked server? You have to click on right click new linked server. Then you will get here. In general, you have to give this instance name. So what you can do, you can copy here. You can go here and you can paste it that instance name of MS SQL 2005. Sitting in 2016, we are connecting to 2025. Okay. In security, I will be explaining about this. Okay, being made using the logins. Current security constructs means here I have the login, okay, of Shahid. I have here Shahid also exists, here also Shahid exists. It is at Windows level, okay. Keep it in mind that it is at Windows level. And also if you go to here security, then you have to if both are exist, Shahid is exist in 2016 version and 2025, then this option is useful. You have to click OK. Then whatever the tables database the tables are present in the database, that I can access sitting in 2016, okay, that we can do. What is the problem here? Yeah, okay, you have to select the SQL server type. Is there no? Here also, here we have other data source, right? That means we can connect to Oracle DB as well, okay? Like we have linked server and SQL Server. Oracle also have DB link concept, okay? They will say DB link, they can also connect. We can connect to other source as well, okay? Sitting in SQL Server, you have to give the SQL Server, then you have to give the instance name here, then security have to, if both are exist in 2016 and 2025, if Shahid is exist, yeah, it means Shahid will help Shahid only. Shahid login will be helping Shahid login. So if you click now, the linked server has created. If we go to this database expand in 2025, no databases are there now. I will create one DB1 database here. DB1. I will be creating one table also in DB1 database. Right click, new table, right click, new table. Not supported to design, okay. Okay, it is not supporting. What I will be doing, I will be right click on this and new query, create table, table 1. I will be s number int, comma, s name, where char of 50, where char of 50. Now table has been created. Now I will be inserting one value, okay. Insert into table 1 values 1 comma 1. So what can I do here means I have inserted in 2025, SQL 2025. Here I can right click new query, then select, you can select the data, okay. Select star from, I had to give here that instance name and data dot db name you have to give db1. So dot table 1 you can dbo you have to give, schema is must and should, or else it will throw an error. dbo dot table 1 you can give table 1. So if you execute, you can retrieve the data from 2025. Okay, I am in 2016 instance as we see here. Okay. So this is the one method of using linked server. Also in setup admin, there if you give the permission, they can add or drop linked server, and also they can configure linked server. In security, at the time of explanation of fixed server roles, setup admin was there. No, he can add, drop, and configure the linked server. That's all for today, guys. I will be explaining next about this linked server. In that fourth option was there. No. If I go to that security, here you have to give a linked server name, that instance name. This I have explained. Next I will be explaining this in next class. Thank you guys for your time and patience. Bye, take care.